US President Donald Trump, who once called India his own country, is now taking a tough stand on several trade issues with India. He is using every trick in the book to push for a trade deal that benefits America, especially in sectors like agriculture and dairy. And recently he's also raised concerns over India buying oil from Russia. Now the big question is, why is Trump suddenly changing his stand so often? Why is he soft on China and NATO but tough on India? Let's understand this step by step. Why is Trump soft on China now? When Trump first became president, he went after China very aggressively. But now his tone has changed. Why? There are two major reasons. American companies depend on China. Big names like Apple and Tesla rely heavily on manufacturing in China. So while Trump may criticize China, he knows American businesses need them. China holds key resources. China controls about 90% of the world's rare earth minerals, materials that are essential for making electronics and defense equipment. China has slowed exports of these minerals to the US, which has directly affected American production. This forced Trump to soften his stance. In fact, he even announced tariff relief on products like smartphones, laptops, and TVs that are made in China. Why is Trump soft on NATO countries trading with Russia? Countries like Germany and France, key NATO allies, import oil and other goods from Russia. Despite global pressure on Russia, Trump doesn't want to upset NATO unity, which is very important for the US on the global stage. The European Union still imports Russian oil via pipelines to countries like Hungary, Slovakia, and the Czech Republic. Even Japan has permission to import oil from Russia till 2026. So Trump is avoiding direct confrontation with these allies. Now, why is Trump being tough on India? While America is India's biggest trade partner, Trump wants more access to Indian markets, especially in agriculture and dairy. But India isn't agreeing to open these sectors easily. In response, the US under Trump refused to reduce tariffs on key Indian exports like steel and automobiles. Trump sees India as a soft target and often makes loud statements to pressure Indian policymakers. His changing tone can be confusing, one day friendly, the next day frustrated, almost like that grumpy uncle at a wedding who gets upset over little things. Trump's stand on global trade depends largely on America's economic and strategic interest. He may talk tough or act friendly, but it's all part of a bigger game to protect US business and political priorities. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments. Till then, keep watching India TV for all the latest updates.